Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to delete YouTube account on iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the YouTube app on your phone and tap your profile picture and select Manage your Google account. And in the Google account settings, swipe left on the menu bar and tap Data and Privacy. Scroll down to the Data from Apps and Services You Use section. Tap Delete a Google service and sign into your Google account if asked. Find YouTube in the list and tap the trash icon next to it. And follow the on screen steps and confirm deletion. And take note that deleting your YouTube account will erase your channel, videos, comments, playlist, and history. If you only want a break, you can just hide your account channel instead. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.